In a world where we are constantly bombarded with information, opinions, and news, the ability to critically think and question what we encounter is more important than ever. It's easy to be swept away by the tide of mainstream narratives and surface-level knowledge, but the true quest for understanding requires something deeper, something that challenges us to think, reflect, and engage with the very essence of knowledge itself. This process of deep inquiry and exploration has been around for centuries and was made famous by a man whose name is synonymous with philosophy, Socrates. Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher, revolutionized how we approach knowledge. His method, now known as the Socratic Method, has had a lasting impact on education, conversation, and self-discovery. What was once a philosophical exercise is now a cornerstone of modern education, used by teachers, coaches, and mentors to help people develop critical thinking skills and a deeper understanding of the world around them. But what makes this method so powerful? And how can we apply it in our everyday lives? In this essay, we'll dive into the heart of the Socratic Method, what it is, why it works, and how it can transform the way we approach learning and problem solving. Before we dive deeper into the Socratic Method, I want to take a moment to welcome you to the unfolding journey. This channel is all about exploring ideas, fostering deeper understanding, and questioning the status quo. Whether we're delving into philosophy, science, psychology, or even the mysteries of the universe, this is a space where curiosity is the key to unlocking new perspectives. So, if you're someone who's always looking to challenge their assumptions and explore the big questions in life, you've come to the right place. Now, let's return to Socrates. The more we look at the Socratic Method, the more we realize its relevance today. In a world of easy answers and instant gratification, the ability to slow down, ask probing questions, and think critically is not just an intellectual luxury. It's a necessity. The Socratic Method is a form of cooperative argumentative dialogue that aims to stimulate critical thinking and illuminate ideas. It involves asking and answering a series of questions to challenge assumptions, explore underlying beliefs, and expose contradictions in reasoning. At its core, the Socratic Method is about fostering an ongoing dialogue where participants are encouraged to think for themselves, rather than simply accepting what they are told. The beauty of the Socratic Method lies in its simplicity. Socrates didn't believe in lecturing or imparting knowledge directly. Instead, he sought to engage others in a collaborative process of discovery. Through a series of well-constructed questions, he led his interlocutors to see the flaws in their thinking, to realize the limits of their knowledge, and ultimately, to arrive at a deeper understanding of the subject at hand. Socrates famously said, "The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing." This quote encapsulates the spirit of the Socratic Method. It's not about having all the answers. It's about being open to asking the right questions and challenging your own assumptions along the way. At the heart of the Socratic Method is the art of questioning. The questions Socrates asked were never random or aimless. They were designed to draw out deeper insights and challenge the very foundation of his interlocutors' beliefs. By constantly probing their answers, he would encourage them to refine their thoughts and reconsider their views. For example, let's say someone claims that justice is doing what is in the best interest of the majority. Socrates might ask questions like, "What do you mean by best interest? Is what's best for the majority always just? Can the majority be wrong in their understanding of what is just?" These types of questions force the person to think more critically about their original statement, and often lead to a realization that their definition of justice is more complex than they initially thought. In this way, Socrates would guide them to a more nuanced understanding, without giving them the answers directly. In our own lives, adopting a Socratic approach to questioning can help us cut through the noise of superficial answers. When we encounter a statement, claim, or idea that seems too simplistic or one-dimensional, we can ask questions that challenge the underlying assumptions. This helps us move beyond surface-level understanding and dig deeper into the essence of the matter. Why the Socratic Method works. There's a reason why the Socratic Method has endured for over 2,000 years. It works. But why? What makes this approach to learning so effective? Encourages active engagement. The Socratic Method isn't passive learning. It requires the person being questioned to think on their feet, articulate their thoughts clearly, and engage in the process of discovery. Rather than simply absorbing information, the individual is forced to actively participate in their learning. This process of active engagement strengthens critical thinking and promotes deeper understanding. Promotes self-awareness. As Socrates believed, the the first step toward wisdom is recognizing one's ignorance. By constantly questioning and reflecting on our own beliefs and assumptions, we become more aware of the limitations of our knowledge. This self-awareness fosters intellectual humility, an essential quality for growth and learning. Encourages dialogue over debate. In traditional debates, each party tries to prove the other wrong. In contrast, the Socratic method is centered around dialogue, not debate. The goal is not to win or defeat the other person, but to work together to uncover deeper truths. This collaborative approach creates a more open and respectful environment for exploring complex issues. Stimulates critical thinking. Rather than accepting ideas at face value, the Socratic method encourages people to question everything. It teaches individuals not to take things for granted, but to examine their beliefs, reasoning, and conclusions critically. This level of scrutiny leads to stronger, more well-reasoned arguments and ideas. Fosters intellectual growth. Because the Socratic method encourages continuous questioning and reflection, it promotes intellectual growth over time. Each question and answer leads to a deeper understanding of the subject, and the process of inquiry never truly ends. This aligns with the idea that knowledge is not a fixed destination, but an ongoing journey. To better understand how the Socratic method works in practice, let's consider a real-world example. Imagine you're having a conversation about the ethics of artificial intelligence. Someone might say, AI will make our lives better because it will solve all of our problems. Using the Socratic method, you might ask questions like, what do you mean by better? How do we define a better life? Will AI really solve all problems, or could it create new problems? How do we ensure AI doesn't reinforce biases or make unethical decisions? Who gets to decide what problems AI should solve and whose interests are prioritized? Through a series of thoughtful questions, you can open up the conversation and explore the complexities of AI in a more nuanced way. Rather than simply agreeing or disagreeing, you're encouraging a deeper exploration of the issue, allowing both parties to arrive at more thoughtful conclusions. How you can apply the Socratic method in your own life. The beauty of the Socratic method is that it can be applied to almost any area of life. Whether you're trying to solve a problem at work, have a conversation about a controversial topic, or simply want to improve your understanding of the world, you can use the Socratic method to guide your thinking. Here are a few ways you can incorporate the Socratic method into your daily life. Ask more questions. Whenever you encounter a new idea or claim, don't just accept it at face value. Instead, ask yourself, what assumptions are being made here? What evidence supports this claim? What are the potential weaknesses in this argument? The more questions you ask, the more clarity you'll gain. Challenge your own beliefs. It's easy to get stuck in our own perspectives, but the Socratic method reminds us to constantly challenge our beliefs. Don't be afraid to question your own assumptions and explore different viewpoints. This will help you grow intellectually and become more open-minded. Engage in meaningful conversations. Instead of engaging in shallow debates or arguments, strive to have conversations that focus on exploring ideas. Ask thoughtful questions, listen deeply, and encourage others to reflect on their beliefs. This kind of dialogue is where true learning happens. Encourage critical thinking in others. If you're a teacher, mentor, or leader, you can use the Socratic method to help others think more critically. Instead of providing all the answers, guide them with questions that encourage self-discovery. This will help them become more independent thinkers. The Socratic method offers us a timeless and powerful approach to learning. By asking thoughtful questions, challenging assumptions, and engaging in meaningful dialogue, we can uncover deeper truths and develop a more profound understanding of the world around us. In a time when information is more accessible than ever, it's easy to forget the importance of critical thinking and reflection. The Socratic method reminds us that the journey of knowledge is not about memorizing facts. It's about questioning, exploring, and seeking the truth. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Socratic method. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the power of questioning, be sure to subscribe to The Unfolding Journey, where we continue to explore the big ideas that shape our lives and the world we live in. Let curiosity be your compass. And remember, sometimes the right question is more powerful than the perfect answer. Backhand index pointing right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of The Unfolding Journey. Until next time, keep asking questions and stay curious.